past 1.5 hours. Still stuck. It's raining outside. All thanks to Shinchon. So today we are off to NH2 and we are going to be visiting a new place today. It's called Hindustan Dhaba. We wanted a change from the usual Shere Punjab and Shere Bengal. So excited about it. I've seen a couple of videos of this place, but mostly it was bikers visiting the place. So I want to give you guys a different kind of an experience to look forward to. We've reached Hindustan Dhaba at NH2. This is the restaurant. It used to be a hotel in 2010 and it got changed to a restaurant. And this is our location for today. Let's get inside. So we are settled inside. We've taken the air-conditioned seating arrangement, obviously because it's more comfortable, plus it's easier to shoot. First look of the place, you're not very impressed because this looks a little dirty. Even when we're sitting inside the air-conditioned compartment, it smells a little bit and it does not look very good as well. So that's one thing which is a bad experience as of now. So we have placed our first orders. It was a tandoori chicken as well as a fish tikka. Now the fish tikka I've seen someone recommend it on YouTube. It was the owner recommending this item, but to our surprise it was not there on the menu card. So what we've done is we've inquired to the person who was taking our order and we found out that you can order it off your menu card. So we've placed an order for a fish tikka as well as a tandoori chicken. Let's see how it tastes. We have the first starter over here, which is the tandoori chicken. The piece sizes are pretty big, so let's take the first bite. No complaints with regards to the size of this, but it's a little dry. I would rather have the size to be a little small, but the chicken to be more juicy. So that's one disappointment. If you can see this, the chicken is very, very dry. There is no marination inside whatsoever. It's extremely dry. Even the onions which they've given, this has a burnt charcoal taste. So it's a very disappointing experience with the first starter which we've had.
What I like about this tandoori chicken is it's really masaledar. I agree it is quite dry, but again it is masaledar, so I'm enjoying it.
Fish tikka, which is recommended by the owner. It has a smell, a foul smell which is giving off. It also has a burnt texture. There's no taste of the fish whatsoever. The marination which you see over here is mostly on the surface area. If you scrape off the top a little bit, inside you will find that there's no marination inside. It's pretty tasteless. I don't know what is wrong. यहाँ का खाना इतना वाहियात है कि मक्खी भी खाने में नहीं बैठ रहे. Such has been our experience today that we are actually more excited about wrapping this up as soon as possible and heading out towards where?
Towards the sweet shop, Shaktigarh.
Shaktigarh to have Makha Sandesh and Langcha. That is how bad our experience has been so far. We are still continuing on because we are hungry, so we've ordered a portion of bharta to go with some kulchas as well as stuffed parathas. But if that does not work out, skip out every other thing, including the fish meal, and we're going to head off straight towards
Shaktigarh for the sweets. I've heard that there are a lot of shops, so looking forward for a great sweet session, dessert session.
So we have the main course over here. So we've gone for a stuffed kulcha as well as a masala kulcha, and this is a chicken bhatta. So I'm going to take a bite from both. Not as bad as the starters, but nothing to set your world apart. Moving to the kulcha, the stuffed kulcha. The stuffed kulcha is good. So this is the first and the only thing so far of the entire menu which I've tried, which I've liked. The stuffed kulcha. It's light, it's not too rich, it's got a good stuffing. I would have liked a little more butter on top, glazed, but not going to complain too much because I've already done that enough. They've given me ample chance, ample opportunity with everything else. So this is the only bit which I've liked. Shinchan, what do you think about the main course?
Okay, so the main course is a bit on a good side than the starters we had earlier. So the chicken bharta is good, it tastes good, and the top notch is the kulchas. Both the kulchas are amazing. So I like it.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करते हैं क्या?
नहीं इसका कोल्ड ड्रिंक ठंडा नहीं, बाहर जाके ले लेंगे.
ये क्या पाक्साकस है? हाईवे है, बहुत दूर दुकान होगा.
मिल जाएगा बाहर.
So that was one of the worst lunches which I've ever had. Usually we keep our expectations very low from a dhaba, but it is beyond words how bad today's experience was. So much so that today's video was supposed to be captioned Hindustan Dhaba, but we're going to change the caption now and we're going to make it a day out at NH2 because we have to go and eat somewhere else as well today. Guys, so we are here at Langcha Mahal. We are in Shaktigarh and we are here to try out some very famous Langcha as well as Maka Shondesh. Let's get inside. So we've ordered 2 pieces of the very famous Shaktigarh's Langcha. I'm gonna break one open. It's very nice. Slightly crisp on top. Smooth texture inside. It's pretty good.
Lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold forged to inspire. It's starfire.
That was our experience at Shaktigarh. Honestly, after the Hindustan Dhaba experience, anything would have been better. So the comparison doesn't even start. But we've had a decent experience over here. The Langcha, the main reason why we are here, was good. And what about you, Shinchan? What did you like?
I like the milk cake and the Maka Shondesh. Both were good, amazing.
Furkan?
I like the Shakti Bhog. It was less sweet.
Yes,
and
yes.
It was really nice.
Yes. If you ask me if it's worth traveling so much, then maybe not. But it's not always about the taste, it's also about the emotions. Like we were discussing off camera, that our parents seem to really endorse these places and they like the stuff over here, be it the Langcha or the Maka Shondesh, yes. So that is what we had come here to experience. And truth be told, a lot of the times it's not about food. Of course, it cannot be absolutely bad like it was at Hindustan Dhaba. Hindustan Dhaba was pathetic, the food was bad, the ambience was bad. I'm not just talking about the decor, but also the hygiene element. Everything was missing. There was just the table beside me, it had leftover food there, I think, for the first 45 minutes. So that is how bad it was. So much so that we had to cut short our lunch over there, and we had to, like I mentioned, take a detour to Shoktigarh. But that was better, I think. The ride as well as the sweets at Shoktigarh was pretty decent. So overall, because of the company, because of the drive, a very good day. The food, maybe not so much, but it ended on a sweet note. So that's like a saving grace. So yes, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Shoktigarh as well as National Highway. Until next time, this is us wrapping up. Guys, cheers. This is a bit of a behind the scene which is going to be added towards the end of the video after the shoot. So we are stuck on a highway for the last, I think, 45 minutes, and our tire has come off. What has happened?
Tire got punctured.
Yeah, thanks to Shinchan's amazing driving skill. Apparently he missed seeing the huge dent on the road, and we have a punctured tire and we are stuck. It's pouring down. I hear it's pouring down in Calcutta too, and we are quite some kilometers away from Calcutta, and we are stuck on the highway. And yes, we don't know when we are gonna. You can I think see the lightning in the background. So this was us. It's been crossed. It's past 2 hours. Still stuck at the highway, trying to get this thing sorted out. We've been helped by someone who's a local, who's helped us with everything. So he's the man who has helped us out during this trying times. Rajesh, thank you so much, Rajesh.
Thank you so much, Rajesh.
Thank you. So this was our experience at the National Highway. If you're enjoying the video, please do subscribe to the channel. For the next couple of months, we might avoid hitting the highway because of the weather. So until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up. Cheers.